Good evening guys, welcome. Kuya Nathan here. And today we are going to be showcasing. I-showcase po natin at ipapakita ko sa inyo mga Jurassic Park collections ko. Then I have 4 dinosaurs out there, including Spinosaurus, T-Rex, Swanhanosaurus, and mini Lego Indominus Rex. Okay. First up, let's start the smaller one. Here is my mini Indominus Rex. Ito yung maliit kong Indominus Rex, guys. Ang liit naman, no? Ang ganda. May tikilik. Nagagalaw braso, paa, mouth, jaw, yung ulo. Yung Indominus Rex nahalon yung between half T-Rex, half Velociraptor DNA. Okay. Ito yung hybrid dinosaur. Really cool. Next up is Swanhanosaurus. Here is my mini one. From Mattel. I bought from SM Manila last year. This nung October 20. Hindi ko na matandaan eh. Okay, ito siya. Medyo nagagalaw. Nagagalaw, nag-rotate. Ito nagagalaw din, upside down. Then the arms, the legs, and the tail. Okay, next is the bigger one. First up is my Spinosaurus. Okay. And that Spinosaurus is ordered from the TikTok. Cool. I love it. I love this paint job from Jurassic Park 3. It's awesome. Very cool. I like in comparison about against the Mattel T-Rex. Okay, last one is the Mattel T-Rex. Now we should get it. Sound Sarge T-Rex. Jurassic Park. Parang ordinaryong T-Rex lamang. Tahimik lang ako magsalita. Ayan. Ito siya, Sound Sarge. Press this button. Mag-iingay ka. One more time. Oh my god. Kaya maingay ito. Maingay. Happy New Year sa inyo nitong January. Bye bye.